Imagine sailing across a vast, dark ocean. For thousands of miles, you see absolutely nothing. No islands, no life, no light. Now, imagine this on a cosmic scale. Welcome to the Boötes Void, a massive, spherical, empty space so incredibly large that if the Milky Way galaxy were placed in its center, we wouldn't have known other galaxies existed until the 1960s. It is 330 million light-years of pure, terrifying nothingness. This is not just a gap in space. It is a haunting anomaly that challenges everything we know about the structure of the cosmos. But the real question is, why is it empty? And is something hidden inside that we cannot see? To understand the scale of this mystery, we must look at how our universe is built. Space is not just a random collection of stars, it is a cosmic web. Galaxies are usually linked together by invisible filaments of dark matter forming massive clusters and superclusters. But, in the direction of the constellation Boötes, there is a hole in that web. A hole so massive it should hold at least 10,000 galaxies similar to our own. Yet, in this entire colossal region, astronomers have only found a few dozen lonely outcasts. It defies the known laws of physics. According to the Big Bang Theory, the universe should be relatively uniform. Having such a massive empty space is like finding a desert the size of a continent in the middle of a lush, crowded rainforest. Some astronomers call it the Great Nothing, but as we look closer, the mystery only deepens. The few galaxies that do exist inside the void are strange. They are more isolated than any other objects in the known universe, shining like lonely lanterns in a dark, endless cavern. This leads us to a terrifying theory that some scientists have dared to whisper. What if this void isn't a natural phenomenon? Enter the theory of the Kardashev Scale. What if an advanced Type 3 alien civilization is expanding across this region? A civilization so powerful that it has built Dyson Spheres around every star in every galaxy within this sector to capture their total energy output. If they did this, the galaxies wouldn't disappear. They would just turn dark, invisible to our telescopes, leaving behind a massive cold void. We might not be looking at empty space. We might be looking at the footprint of a cosmic empire so vast it consumes light itself. Another possibility is even more chilling. Some theorists suggest that the Boötes Void is a glimpse into the far future of our entire universe. As dark energy continues to push galaxies away from each other, the cosmic web will eventually tear apart. These voids will grow, merging together until every galaxy is an island in an infinite sea of blackness. In this sense, Boötes isn't just a place, it's a prophecy of the end. The Boötes Void reminds us how small we truly are and how much of our universe remains a cold, dark mystery. It stands as a silent monument to the unknown, a place where gravity seems to have lost its grip and where the light of 10,000 galaxies has simply vanished. If the silence of the deep space scares you, you are not alone. The more we explore, the more we realize that the universe doesn't just hold secrets, it holds warnings. This is Factic. Stay curious, stay watchful, and remember, in the vastness of the cosmos, the void is always growing.